In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email campaign's design with colors, spacing, and layout in the email editor. First, head to the campaign section from the left sidebar. From here, you can open an existing email campaign if you already have one, or click Create Campaign to start something new. Once you're in, open the email editor. This is your workspace for making visual and structural changes. Inside the editor, click the specific content block you want to work on. This could be a text block, an image, a button, or any other element. Selecting a block will reveal its settings on the right-hand side, so you can fine-tune it. Let's start with colors. In the Settings panel for the selected block, look for the Colors section. Find the block background color picker and click it. You can choose from the palette or enter a specific hex code if you're matching brand colors. As soon as you pick a new color, the block's background will update automatically, so you can see the effect right away. If you're unsure which shade to use, try a softer background behind text to improve readability, and keep contrast in mind so your content stays accessible and easy to scan. Next, adjust spacing to give your design breathing room. Still in the Settings panel, scroll to the Padding section. You'll see top, bottom, left, and right fields. Increase the numbers to add more space around your content, or decrease them to tighten the layout. Small, even adjustments often look the cleanest. For example, increasing top and bottom padding equally can make headings stand out without overwhelming the rest of the email. If your text feels cramped or your images look jammed against the edges, a few extra pixels of padding can make a big difference. Now let's refine the overall layout. Go to the Content tab on the right panel. Here you can drag layout blocks such as columns, image, text, or button directly into the email canvas. Drop them exactly where you want them to appear. To reorder, simply drag any block up or down until you see the placement indicator, then release. Columns are great for side-by-side content like an image next to a caption, while single-column sections are best for long paragraphs or an important call to action. Once you're happy with your colors, spacing, and layout, click Save and Close to lock in your changes. That's it. Your email is now cleaner, more consistent, and easier for your audience to read.